Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. In this video, we'll explore the art of creating stunning wooden wall art that can transform any space in your home. Using simple techniques and reclaimed wood, you'll learn how to craft beautiful pieces that showcase your creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more woodworking inspiration. Today, we're diving into an exciting project that will ignite your creativity crafting beautiful wooden wall art. Nothing adds character to a space quite like a unique piece of art made from timber. Are you ready to turn ordinary wood into extraordinary decor? Let's get started. Why wooden wall art? Wooden wall art has a charm that can't be replicated. It brings warmth and a natural feel to any room. It's not just decor, it's a conversation starter. Plus, every piece of wood tells a story, from its grain patterns to its history. As you craft, you're not just creating art, you're connecting with nature. Imagine walking into a room filled with handcrafted pieces that reflect your personality. Wooden wall art serves multiple purposes. It enhances your home's aesthetics, allows you to express your creativity, and even offers a connection to the environment. When you choose timber over manufactured materials, you bring a piece of nature indoors, fostering a warm and inviting atmosphere. Materials you'll need. Before we start crafting, let's gather all the necessary materials. Here's what you'll need. Various pieces of reclaimed wood or timber in different sizes. This provides a range of textures and colors for your art. A saw, hand saw or jigsaw essential for cutting your wood to the desired shapes. Sandpaper, medium and fine grit to smooth out edges and prevent splinters. Wood glue or screws, for securely assembling your pieces together. Paint or wood stain, optional to enhance the natural beauty or add color to your art. A drill, useful for making holes for screws or for mounting. Hanging hardware, if you plan to mount it on the wall. Collecting these materials ahead of time will make your crafting process smoother and more enjoyable. Design concepts. Now let's talk about design. The beauty of wooden wall art is that you can let your imagination run wild. Here are a few ideas to inspire you. 1. Geometric patterns. Arrange pieces of wood in geometric shapes. You can create triangles, squares, or abstract designs that play with light and shadows. The interlocking of various angles can create a stunning visual effect that draws the eye. 2. Nature scenes. Create a landscape by layering pieces to depict mountains, trees, or the ocean. This can evoke a sense of calm and connection to nature. By using different shades of wood, you can mimic the colors found in nature, like earthy browns and vibrant greens. 3. Abstract art. Combine different wood textures and colors to create an abstract design that catches the eye. Think of how color, shape, and texture interact in this freeform style of art to evoke emotion. 4. Framed quotes. Incorporate inspirational quotes using painted wooden letters or stencils against a textured wood background. This personal touch can make your art even more meaningful and uplifting. Crafting process. Let's get to the fun part: crafting your wooden wall art. 1. Planning your layout. Start by laying out your design on the floor or a large workspace. This helps visualize how the finished piece will look. Don't hesitate to tweak and rearrange until the design feels just right. 2. Cutting the wood. Once you're happy with your layout, use your saw to cut the wood pieces to size. Remember, measure twice, cut once. This phrase is a golden rule in woodworking, ensuring accuracy and saving you time when correcting mistakes. 3. Sanding. Sand each piece of wood thoroughly to ensure smooth edges. This step is crucial for preventing splinters and achieving a polished look. Use medium grit sandpaper first and follow up with fine grit for a smooth finish. 4. Assembling. Begin assembling your pieces on a sturdy base. You can use wood glue or screws for a secure hold. If you're using glue, allow it to dry completely. If opting for screws, drill small holes first to prevent the wood from splitting. 5. Finishing touches. After assembly, consider adding a coat of paint or wood stain to enhance the design. This can highlight textures and create contrast, making your art piece more dynamic. 6. Mounting. Finally, attach the hanging hardware on the back, and your wooden wall art is ready to be displayed. Ensure it's securely mounted to avoid any accidents. Engaging with your audience. We want to hear from you. What designs are you considering for your own wooden wall art? Share your ideas in the comments below. If you create a piece, tag us on social media. We'd love to showcase your work. Your creativity could inspire others in our crafting community. Additional tips. Here are some extra tips to make your project even more enjoyable. Experiment with different techniques. Don't be afraid to try new methods, such as wood burning or using stencils. These can add unique details that enhance your art further. Join online communities. Platforms like Instagram or Pinterest are great for finding woodworking inspiration. Follow accounts that share similar interests and techniques. Take breaks. Crafting should be a fun and relaxing experience. Don't rush. Enjoy the process of creating something beautiful. As we wrap up this creative journey into crafting wooden wall art, remember that your home is a canvas for your personality. Each handmade piece adds unique beauty, showcasing your style and creativity. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support makes all the difference. Don't forget to subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio and tap the notification bell for more wood project ideas and inspiration. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy crafting.